Hello everyone and welcome for this short tutorial on how to use Trello. If it's the first time, you will have to create an account or log in with your Google account. Then you will reach that page. The first thing that you'll want to do is click on boards. Then you will see the boards that you already created and you will have the opportunity to create a team. So for now, let's go try to create a team. Okay, so first thing you'll want to give it a name. So I'll create the dream team. The team type, well, it's about education, I guess, and the description, I have a dream. Then press continue. Here you can invite people by email so they can join the team, but you can also do it later, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, now you're on your team page and here you can create new board, you can check the members, or you can check the settings. So the first thing I'll want to do is to create a new board. You can start by giving it a title or change the photo or color of the background, but let's keep it like that and name it Project 1. So you can change also whether it's visible to anyone or if it's private or if it's visible to only the team members, which is by default, and I will keep that. Then you press create board and it will show the new interface. So here, the first thing you'll notice is on the top left, you can create lists. For instance, let's create 3 lists: to do, ongoing, and done. That way, you can create as many lists as you want. Once you're done creating your lists, you will want to create cards. Cards are the essence, the units of the tasks that you will perform. So, for instance, if I create a card, let's clean my desk. Okay, add card or press enter. And then if you click on it, you will access to some options. For instance, give it a description. My office is a mess and the desk needs cleaning. Okay, now you can also comment and other team members will also be able to comment. You can assign members to that task. So I will assign myself to the task. I won't ask anyone else to clean my desk. And I can also add labels. So it can be a color or you can add text by clicking here. So it's not an emergency. Done. You can add a checklist. Let's call it checklist. And let's put the papers in a pile. Throw away what needs to be thrown. All right, so then you can check one of the elements and you will see it will show here. All the elements that you change in that interface will show here to give you short insights at first look. Then you can also add a due date, for instance, tomorrow, save. You can attach files from your computer or Google Drive if it's linked, and different other things. So for now, let's say it's done. So first I'll have to clean my desk and let's say, okay, I'm going to do it. So I'll put it in the ongoing part. So you just click and drag and drop it to another list. And once it's done, for instance, if I click and I finish all the things that are in the checklist, you can see here it shows a green thing, so it's cool, you know it's good, and then I can put it in the done part. You can create as many cards for each list as you want, and you can also copy them. So that's it for today. I hope this was useful, and if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to check Trello's guide, it's really interesting. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.